Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Tech Hack. So today I'm going to be showing you interesting platform I actually discovered. Now the reason why I'm reviewing this platform is because I actually had a very serious issue when it came to the back of integrating a particular feature to um, WordPress website. Now I was trying to create WordPress websites, that's NFT marketplace using WordPress. Now I had issue with some integration, so I had to like check for what it is. Now I've been hearing about Moralis. I'm very sure some of you have, have been uh, seeing their adverts and so on and so forth. Well, if they do not target you, they actually targeted me. So I decided to like visit the platform, and I actually love the whole interface from beginning to the end. Now, it's very, very simple. Like, and when I say very simple, like exactly what they say is what they do. Now, they save developers time and money to ship scalable and robust data, which is very, very true. So now, if you're looking for a way to um, make your work easier as a developer, then you really need Moralis.io. Now, one thing I actually love about Moralis.io is that it comes with a lot of integration. Now you can cross-chain Web3 API, endless integration. Like, and when I say endless, they actually like when they say endless integration. Now, here is now if you want to get started, you just click start for free. I already have an account, so I'm going to log into my account. So you can see over here, I actually created um, um, a server. Now you can create a server. Now I needed a server to be able to run what I needed to do for the NFT market using WordPress. Now, although I've got stuck in a particular part, so I hope to continue later on. That's for like the technical part. Now, if you want to get started, you can check out more of this. Now, just click create new server. Now, I have a server, so because I stopped with the production, what I was working on initially, actually kept it on sleep. Like the platform kept it on sleep for me. So now you can see over here, once you click create new server, you see mainnet server, testnet server, now local dev change server. Now mainnet server, that means you're ready to go live. Now, if your platform is not active for a long period of time, then you will put your stuff to sleep. Now, one thing I also love about them is the plan is actually very, very affordable. Now, for the free plan, I was very skeptical about it. So definitely, if you're skeptical about the platform, then you should try out the free plan. Now, the free plan comes with a lot of features, actually. Now, you see free access to unlimited users, dev plugins, and so on and so forth. Now, you can see over here exactly what I needed, which was the IPFS. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with IPFS. This is what stores your your data and the rest. Now, there are other things you can also check out, but the most important thing I was looking for was the API connection and the IPFS, which I needed. Now, definitely, that is what I needed. Now, if you're a developer and you're looking to handle big projects and the rest, then you need to use the Pro Plan. Now, the Pro Plan comes with servers diversity, basically. Now, you can see mine is sleeping because um, of this. Now we sleep after 3 days of inactivity. So it wasn't active for 3 days. Like after 3 days, they actually get it sleep. So if you're a developer, you're looking way to get started, then you need to use this platform. Now, there's also something unique I want to show you. Now, I'm very sure you're familiar with Udemy platforms and the rest. A lot of training platforms. Now, there's something I love about Moralis. They created an academy. Now, the academy is going to help you get started. Now, when I say get started, like any type of skills related to Web3, now you need to you need a guide them. Now there are not a lot of trainings out there. That's to be very honest with you, there are not a lot of trainings out there. Now, if you're looking for a way to step up your game and do something um, interesting, now you can see over here people that actually like taking the classes, training to see now. This lady testimony is very, very interesting. Had no programming experience after the academy. She landed a full-time job. That is the importance of this training. Now you can view more success stories. Now they have over 6,000 reviews, so that means they're actually a good platform. Even without me reviewing this platform to you, they're actually a good platform. Now, now if you want to check out the courses, now you see over here on all courses, you see crypto for beginners, master DeFi, DeFi, I don't know if that's pronunciation. Now, and so on and so forth, like a lot. Like you see the premium. Now, yeah, they have different pricing. So let's look at the pricing plan. Like you see here for the free plan, you only have access to one Moralis course. Now, I actually took one Moralis course, which is creating in metaverse, build your own web through metaverse. Now, I actually love metaverse a lot, so I wanted to like know how to go about it and the rest. So I decided to take on this training. Now, if you don't, you can mark complete the next lesson. Now, just 1 hour 16 minutes. Now, see, in this project, we show you step by step how to build your own metaverse in 75 minutes. Now, 75 minutes, literally just more of like you need to concentrate, you understand? You need to take your time and just follow the video. It's actually a very good video. I just started though, but I'm actually enjoying the whole process. Now, if you're looking for a route to like step up games and the rest. Now, if you need certificate, now certificate in this kind of field is very, 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 very important. Now, if you apply for the academy, you're going to that repeat this plan, you're going to get a certificate. Now, I highly recommend getting a certificate because you need to show proof. Now, a lot of industries are looking for developers, Web3 developers, and now this is a very good um, good chance for you to get employed. Now, once they see that Moralis have you have certificate coming from Moralis, you're likely to get hired. Now, not just about the certificate, but also other things apply to it. Now, just as I said, the best value for the plan is professional, whereby you get access to personal study counselor. Now, when I say personal study counselor, I think, or what I'm sure the mean is a private mentor, someone who will guide you. Now, trust me, for someone who wants to go into Web3 projects, I would highly recommend you picking this plan. So if you're interested, feel free to visit the platform. I will drop a link on my YouTube. I'm going to drop in my description so you can check out the platform and how it works. And if you have any question, feel free to contact the support. And also feel free to reach out to me, drop a comment or just anything basically. Trust me, you really want to jump on this opportunity. Well, the pricing plans can literally change if they are changing our platform. So this free plan just came out recently, and that's why I jumped on it. So to just check it out. So you can start with the free plan now. If you see that um, you need something more advanced, like more, especially certificate part. Now they also offer money back guarantee. So if you pick a plan and you're feeling kind of dull and the rest, then you need to what? You need to go for what? The base plan.